started.
Smart na yung simi, smart na yung simi.
May mga ditang sa likod ah. May mga ditang sa likod.
Looking sa inyo, ditang.
Hold on. We're going to engage, hold on. We're going to engage shallow on this carving in 5.
Looking sa inyo. Nagpunta ng west ah.
One hit carving now. Then southwest now. Southwest. Keep moving southwest.
Nagpa-west yung mismong ano, yung Fort Sterling.
Keep moving southwest.
Baka ikutan tayo.
Nag-west.
Check.
Keep moving southwest. Spills. Keep moving southwest.
Gamitin yung mga natutunan nyo sa Black Zone.
Dalawang blob. Keep moving southwest.
Nag-guard west yung ano. Nag-guard west.
South.
Lubungin natin tong ano.
South. Everyone boots in, then mount up. Mount up. Mas sandwich tayo ng second blob eh. Did everyone was able?
Pwede mong palagan yung second blob. Naipagsuntukan lang dito yung... Never mind.
Yeah, waiting. Come east. I need to know what's happening.
13 seconds pa mount up ko. Fuck.
Did we OC or just food?
Both. Ay na, ang laki na masyado pag nilook tayo nito.
Content na habol mo par, di ba?
Galang.
Ganun talaga sa bandit.
Wait, kamusta? Pumapasok na ba sila choke or hindi?
Mounting up ako. Please mo tawin.
I need eyes.
Nagka-clamp sila sa may choke pero may iba pang nasa labas. Marami pang nasa labas na ano.
Nakaspread yung Limhurst. Tinitake nila yung northwest side ng wall. Northwest side wall yung tinitake ng Fort Sterling.
Alam ko na. Ay, hindi kaso.
Ang inang mahali ko to, dedicated east.
Wala, lumalabas yung Fort Sterling, like pinupull out nila yung bridge watch.
Naiilang.
Oo, naiilang.
Kasi pag pumunta ako northeast, ron ako ng bridge watch tapos tayo.
Walking east ulit.
Come south. Down the choke. Come south, down the choke.
Maraming taga-stop sa likod ng ano, sa likod. Yan, nasa choke point ulit sila right now.
Follow the crown. Come northwest. Nakikita nyo tong uphill na to. This is our kite path, okay? Dito. This mountain you see me. Keep walking north. Keep walking northeast.
Yan. Pulling out sila northwest. Pulling out northwest.
We're going to engage dito. In 5. Hold in 4. In 3. In 2. In 1. Hit the crown now. Hit this shit, boys. Then come south. Hug the wall south.
Wrapping around sila.
Ride occult.
Wrapping around sila.
Come east. South.
Stop ko. Kami sila sa southwest mo.
East.
Kami sa southwest mo.
Copy. East. Directly east, boys. Nakikita nyo tong borderline na to. We need to hug the wall.
Sa inyo na.
Hold. Come southeast. Hug the wall southwest. Defend. Good soak. Fire pass. Okay, we're going to engage shallow on the ground. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit the ground now. It's fine big. Okay, come southeast now. Come southeast. Hug the wall southeast. We're good.
Pulling out sila.
Are they following? Okay. Cycle now. Hold. Cycle now. Let me know when you're ready.
Hindi na ako magsa-cycle.
Down the choke.
Hold. Come east.
Over the wall. Over the wall.
Please careful over the wall.
Come land coming.
Hold.
Walang engage yan.
Hold.
Mounted up sila.
Sa wall sila.
Come east.
Walking southeast.
Come east.
Din malayo ko. Hindi may.
Everyone, boots northeast now. Then mount up.
Coming in sila ha.
Dilikuran lang natin to.
Okay lang, goods. Nakapag-mount natin.
Okay. Come northwest now. No. East. Directly east.
Dismounted sila dito sa may southwest.
Sige lang.
Catching yan dyan.
Is everyone safe? Come east. Keep walking east. Nakadiri tayo sa kanila, goods. Go yung bridge.
Ang daming laban nun, nung body na yun.
Then come southeast on the water bridge. Southeast, I'm on the ping.
Going east sila. Ito yung front.
Okay. Dismount when you see me. Dito natin lalabanan itong mga...
Di sila nagpa-follow. Nag-west sila.
Bubalik ng static? Don't tell me, babalik.
Hindi. Nag-west sila, hard west.
Daming nakap ng ano.
Ang corny.
Hard west. Southwest now.
Are they coming out?
Naubos yung ano.
Anong balita?
Wala pa. Southwest.
Naka-mount up or hindi?
Naka-mount up.
Okay.
Bridge watch tayo if wala.
Dismounted sila dito.
Copy. Come south now. Come southeast. Southwest.
Medyo maganda rin dito din ha. Maraming walls tsaka walls.
Come southwest. Yung 3
Choke
dots,
tsaka wall.
wala kayo, 3 dots. We're going to kite in the wooden water bridge. Wooden.
Mounted up ulit sila dito.
Pwede kayo mag-wrap around.
Going sila northwest.
Kaya Bardagol yun.
Bridgewatch has no healers, kaya sila yan.
Talaga natin.
Going northwest sila.
Come south. Southwest boys.
Mounted up pa din.
Magbabank daw muna yung Fort Sterling, so di ko alam ko.
Ito labanan natin.
Sabi, nagubang.
Nag-northwest na sila.
Posibleng kasi aalisin kasi wala nang OC.
Walang bank sa ano.
Mount down na.
Dismount.
Layo ko.
Dismount boys, dismount. Try to catch.
Hindi lang, Bridgewatch na lang. Labanan yun.
Accusation doubles inside you. Okay, we're going to engage shallow on the round in 5. Hold. Wait, nasan na yun? Kumalun. No. Keep walking northwest.
Wow, bandit.
We're gonna force fight. Keep walking northwest. Change CC this shit. Okay, let me know when you're ready, DPS. Ready? Ready? Okay, we're going to engage north.
Gago na wala.
Okay, inside us in 5, in 4, in 3.
Immerse.
Immerse.
Coming.
Hit the shit. Okay, come northwest now. No, Janelle, ma-scout mo sila northwest kung...
Ito. Dismounted sila dito.
Okay, come. Keep walking.
Limers.
You have 2 kills and doubles inside you. Clear the mobs while walking northwest.
May limers.
Dismounted na ako. Holding sila ng choke.
Hold.
Trying
Spread.
to catch akin.
Take space southeast.
Walking back to I'm stopping them.
Northwest,
Limblab ba?
I'm
Limblab.
stopping them.
Hello on the ground in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit the shit, boys. Hit the shit. Then come southeast now. Come southeast. Keep walking southeast. Chain CC tanks ha. Hold the bridge.
You're good.
Hold the bridge. We're good. Are they chasing? Cycle now.
They engage me, pero buhay pa ako.
Okay, walk northwest, boys.
Okay, Janelle, stay here.
Okay, we're going to engage
Good.
shallow on the ground in 5,
Engage.
4, in 3, in 2, in 1. It's huge. It's fucking huge. Good shit, boys. Come southeast now. Hold. Stabilize. Heal up.
Likoran
Immerse
tayo.
na nasa likuran na natin.
Careful lim.
Heal up.
Sa likod ah.
Lim behind you.
Pwede ka mag-northeast ka din.
Keep going southwest. Keep going south. 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 Yan. Uphill. Dito tayo. May ipit tayo ng mga limers.
Mas okay kung northeast sana.
Can you mount up? Mount up everyone.
GGA, amang GGA.
No, there is one in front of us.
No. Dismount again.
Okay.
Oh my god, they're here. Defend. Popper pass. Heal up. Okay, we're going to engage shallow on the ground in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Engage. Hit the ground. Okay, walk west now. Walk southwest.
Ano yung Bridgewatch ah?
Walk southeast.
Up the hill kayo guys.
Walk southeast. Tangan ng limers, dali ko lang. Keep walking southeast. Spill.
Southeast lang.
Stop on base.
Keep walking south. Defend.
May bomber.
Correct now.
GA.
We're good. Heal up. Keep walking southeast.
Hilap kayo ano?
Keep walking southeast. Ride hold.
I'm stopping them.
Ride hold. Okay, we can stabilize here. We're good. Are we good? We're good. Okay, we're good. Shallow on the ground in 5,
Ito, ships.
4, 3, in 2, in 1. Hit the ground now.
Bigyan, boss.
It's fucking big.
Nice one.
Okay, walk southeast now. Walk southeast. Keep walking southeast. Defend. Okay, walk south.
You're good. Wala na sila engage din.
Keep walking. Hold. Stabilize. Cycle now. Hold the line.
Nag-engage sila dito.
Ang daming
Roll
problem.
na lang sila din ah.
Hold. We're going to engage shallow on the ground. Let me know when you're ready. Less seconds, DPS. Let me know.
Ready.
We're going to engage northeast in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit this fucking shit. Good boys. Come southeast
Nice.
now.
Bridgewatch coming from west.
Downhill. Ride
Hold.
Ride hold.
Sa front.
Southeast. Don't deep your
Janelle,
friends. Play together, boys.
Listen front guys.
Wait, stabilize.
Pushing through yung Bridgewatch. You're good. Safe any spot. Safe.
Come northwest.
Mas harder na sila.
Hold.
Yo, Queen of Pen, what the fuck?
Keep
Abante
walking.
kayo.
6-3 brim.
Saan?
Abante nyo, Franks.
Okay, we're going to engage north deep in
Patay na
5, in 4,
Patay na.
Patay na.
in 2, in 1. North now. Hit the shit.
Nice hit.
Okay. Hold. Cycle now. Keep going north. Jacket while walking.
Wait lang.
Keep going north. Hold. Let's regroup. Hold. Nasa bridge ba sila?
Walking north. Hindi. Northwest sila. Northwest. You're good. You can keep walking northwest, boys.
Ready,
Okay,
ready,
Screen
defense.
yata yan. To screen yata, to screen.
Parang
Two
alanganin yung bridge
Two
lalo.
screen. Two screen
May
away.
Estrel.
Wala na, wala na yan. Wala na yan.
Ay,
Broken na yung limers.
We're going to engage shallow on the crown na in 5, 4, in 3,
Sige.
hit the crown now, hit the crown now. Then come southeast now.
Cleric, cleric.
Come southeast. Mamarkan ko yan. Wala nang
Wait. May kaklap yan ha. Clamper yan.
You're good. Malayo.
Limers, northeast.
Ditang hold northeast.
Radiant yan ha.
Northeast.
Wala na dyan yung crown nyo, guys.
Nasa may northeast mo, bridge.
Come south.
Tangina, Dokbuboy!
Manlilikod mo naman yung limers. Parang gusto mo.
Pwede mong iwalk yung limers.
Sige,
Wala
sige.
na yung bridge dito.
Come northeast nga. Giga chat boys sa defensive sa. We're going to push on limers. We're going to soak one
Wait
end
lang,
game.
may kinang.
Keep walking northeast.
Bumabalik yung bridge watch.
Sige lang, keep walking east.
May ipit kayo dyan.
Mounted up
Walk
pa.
southeast.
Up the hill kayo. Dane, pwede mag-up the hill kayo.
Come northeast.
Para hindi kayo may ipit ng bridge watch.
Bridge na sila.
Actually, come west now.
Pwede pang uli, mag-up the hill pa kayo uli.
Come west now. I need one D-tank to watch Mag-fake ako.
Wala na yung limers. Sobrang layo na ng limers. Nag-mount
We're
up.
going to engage south.
Pwede mong
I'm gonna fake southwest.
Fake.
Okay? Hit the ground in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit the ground now. Shallow. Hit the shit. Okay, come northeast now.
Ano yun nyo ha?
You're good. Nasok.
Hindi tayo mag-ano.
He's up
Meron
front.
sa likod mo, boss.
Lim.
Likod.
Come north. Tagus kayo north.
I need heal sa front.
Come north.
I need heal sa
Hold,
front.
Come north. Are we good?
I need heal sa front.
Yung limers.
Boys.
Heal ka dyan ng skill.
Oh my god. I died.
Listen, Janelle. Okay, come north. Stabilize
Heal
it.
in front guys.
Last two healer ka, boss.
Sobrang bading ng limers.
Wala nag-i-step up para mag-scout dyan sa mga bab.
Oh.
Mag-shallow ka lang, boss. Last two healer ka.
Yo, we have to heal.
It's okay. Hold.
May napatay kaya natin to.
Baduy ng limers. Nakakainis.
Umiikot na naman yung limers sa likuran natin, Dane.
We're going to engage on SL in 5,
Ano tayo?
4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Okay.
Wala, nakatakbo, boss.
Wala, sis.
Up the hill dito din.
Okay na. Ang baduy ng ano. Come northeast. Ang baduy ng limers ng puta. Nililikuran tayo. Dapat
Alis
bridge.
na mo, bumalik.
Pwede mo namang ipahawak sa isang D-tank yun eh. Di ko alam kung ba't di mapigil-pigilan yan limers. Ang liit-liit lang yan.
Kaya nga eh.
Ilan ba D-tanks mo?
Gusto ko burahin yung limers.
Wala akong magagawa eh. Kinol ko na lang na engaging yung likod kasi DPS lang.
Come northeast. Spread DPS, spread northeast. Let them come.
Baduy, pucha.
Manglilikod na naman yan ah.
Asan yung bridge watch ngayon?
I-fake mo lang. Kunwari, titingnan sa
Same
bridge.
spot sila kanina din.
Shit, alanganin yung...
Bubombahin ko tong likod nila.
Huwag dyan, Marshall wala dyan yung Zerg mo. Kung mang-dismount dyan.
Teka
Ayun
nga.
na, umiikot na naman.
May message.
Sige ako na titingin sa gamers.
Fort Sterling CMC ah.
Ito na din, nasa harap mo na.
Come northeast.
Caller ata nila si Taiwan.
Okay, we're going to engage shallow on the ground in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this shit. Hit these boys. Okay. Cycle now.
Walking in.
Keep going east. Southeast. Hug the wall. Hug the wall southeast. Shoot.
Coming na yung limers. Moving ulit sila.
Hold.
2 minutes sila pa-south mo na. Pa-south.
Defend. Pop.
Patay si Iblis.
Come southeast. Tangin
Dismounted sila din. Up the hill na sila din. Up the hill.
Southeast. Hug the wall south. Try the occult downhill.
Ayun na may lim.
Defensive.
Okay, defend. Okay, we're going to headbutt limers in north in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. This is big. Hit the shit. Good hit, boys. Come
Nice
south.
one. Good hit, guys. Baka agad sa chok. Ay, hindi. Wag. Push nyo din. May ipit kayo.
Push north.
Mga diretso sila, boss.
Keep going north.
Ulit lang yung limers.
Keep going north. Ditang hold.
Pwede ka na mag-east dyan.
Then east now.
Push nyo lang.
Are you good?
Nag-engage yung bridge sa likod natin.
Nag-engage na.
Mounting yung limers.
Okay, we're going to engage shallow on the ground in 5, in 4, 3, in 2, in 1. West now. Shallow now.
Lagi na brim yung
Come east now.
Last one healer ka, boss.
Come east now. Copy. Come east now. Try to pop your boots south.